If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3.
Good morning, Northpointe. It's November 26, 2015. I'm Chloe Merkel.
And I'm Spencer Cousins. And Wake Up Northpointe starts right now.
In school news, academic team after school. The 5th grade has its Colonial Fair this morning, and that's where we're heading after this broadcast.
Let's take a look at today's weather. Good morning. We have seen part 1 of what looks to be a three-part storm system move through the tri-state earlier this morning. This brought anywhere from a covering to nearly 1.5 inches of snow to parts of the area. Temperatures have been hovering near the freezing mark, so for the most part, roads are just wet. Do watch the bridges and the overpasses, though, as some slick spots could persist. The second part of this storm system will arrive later this morning and into this afternoon when more snow will develop, especially along and east of 171. Some of this snow may even mix with rain at times. Part 3 of the storm looks to be the biggest part and will bring the most accumulating snow by this evening.
Now on to lunch. Lunch today will be nachos, tacos, pizza, refried beans, tiblet corn, taco toppings, carrot teenies, fresh fruit cup, applesauce, and raisins. Please stand for the pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
To start up headlines, we're talking about space.
This week, a robotic explorer called Maven left Earth on its way to Mars.
It should get there next September. Mars is more than 700 million kilometers away.
The explorer is going to Mars to try to solve some of the planet's mysteries.
For instance, why is Mars now a cold, dry planet when it started out warm and wet?
The Associated Press reports that the early Martian atmosphere was thick enough to hold water and possibly support microbial tiny life.
Scientists at NASA want to know what happened to change that.
Maven will spend about a year measuring the gases in the atmosphere around Mars. It will fly around Mars more than 125 kilometers above the planet's surface.
The Explorer has 8 scientific devices on it.
The mission will cost more than $671 million.
NASA has another goal for Mars. They want to send humans to the planet.
They hope to be able to do that around the year 2030.
One of the earliest missions to Mars happened in 1964 when the Mariner 4 flew near the planet and brought Earthlings the first pictures of the surface of Mars.
And that's a wrap of today's headlines.
On this day in 1941, FDR establishes Martin Thanksgiving as the 4th Thursday in November, a standard ever since. And now for a fun fact.
Did you know that a rat can last longer without water than a camel?
Really?
It's true. Have a great day, Northpointe. We'll see you next time with some more great news. And remember, Northpointe, keep your paws up.
Make it a great day or not.
The choice is yours.
4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah.